हरियाणा राज्य महिला आयोग ने विशाल स्तर पर किया श्रम सांध्य राष्ट्रीय वेबिनारों का आयोजन। भारत के सर्वोच्च न्यायालय की न्यायाधीश इंदिरा बनर्जी ने मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में करी शिरकत। हरियाणा राज्य महिला आयोग द्वारा शनिवार को विभिन्न महिलाओं विरुद्ध अपराधों संबंधी मुद्दों पर राष्ट्रीय वेबिनार करवाए गए।
आज का कार्यक्रम में मैं अधिक समय नहीं लेते हुए मैं आमंत्रित करता हूं प्रीति भारद्वाज जी को, जो कि माननीय कार्यवाहक अध्यक्ष हैं, ऑफिशिएटिंग चेयरपर्सन स्टेट कमीशन फॉर हरियाणा फॉर वुमेन, कि वो माननीय हमारी मुख्य अतिथि इंदिरा बनर्जी एवं अन्य अतिथिगण का स्वागत भाषण करें। माननीय प्रीति भारद्वाज दलाल जी।
Thank you, Vijay ji, for introducing me. यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी हमारे अतिथिगण, स्पेसिफिक रूप से मैं बात करना चाहूँगी ऑनरेबल जस्टिस इंदिरा बनर्जी, the Justice of Supreme Court of India. Ma'am, we are very thankful that you have taken time to speak and share your expertise in the issue of domestic violence, as well as on NRI matters and violence against women. In 2020, we launched our first WhatsApp number for the victims of domestic violence, and it is still operational. So this is how the Commission has been trying to address the issue, and we had our well-established, experts from all fields, 17 volunteers who are experts, who are principals, who are counselors, who are legal experts, who are psychologists, who are doctors, and they are associated with the Commission, and they are giving in some way or the other the counseling to different people who have been approaching the Commission on the issue of any kind of violence, because violence is not only confined to women, it is also confined to senior citizens, to the girls who are above the age of 15. So the Commission has been counseling them. It is more important and very important when we talk about the issue of non-resident Indians. Now, during this time, the Commission, we have a very established, well-established cell for NRI women, and when we, during this period, we found that many couples, they have the husbands, grooms, they have deserted their wives and been absconded in the garb of lockdown. So we have initiated to our public hearings in many cases.
Honorable Justice Indira Banerjee ji.
Very good morning to all of you present here today. It is my privilege to inaugurate this national webinar on issues related to non-resident Indian marriage, challenges and solutions, and also prevention of domestic violence against women in India. It is well known that women constitute almost 50% of the population of the world. Yet, women, not only in third world countries, not only in India, but almost all over the world, are discriminated against. They are usually less educated, economically weaker, confined to the four walls of the home, subjected to sexual harassment outside, and to domestic sexual harassment at the workplace and elsewhere, and to domestic violence at home. Domestic violence has very far-reaching consequences so far as society is concerned and so far as family is concerned. It is important to understand what exactly constitutes domestic violence.
एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ये बताना चाहूँगी कि इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और इंडियन लॉज के एक यूनिक फीचर ये है कि स्पेसिफिकली आर्टिकल 21 विच इज द राइट टू लाइफ, ये खाली सिटीजन्स को अवेलेबल नहीं है। तो जब हम नॉन रेजिडेंट इंडियंस की बात करते हैं तो हम essentially it means people who may either be citizens of India and maybe residing somewhere else. Of course that is the category that NRI is, लेकिन कई बार ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि सिटीजनशिप भी उन्होंने किसी दूसरे कंट्री की ले ली हो, लेकिन वो एक इंडियन ओरिजिन के हो, तो ओवरसीज सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया कार्ड वाले होल्डर्स हो। तो ये दोनों ही कैटेगरीज को, हालांकि legal definition में NRI is somebody who's still a citizen of the country but resident of any other country.
कहना चाहूंगा कि हमारी मनुस्मृति में लिखा है कि जहां महिलाओं का आदर किया जाता है वहीं देवता लोग वास करते हैं, और जहां उनका आदर नहीं होता वहां आप जितने मर्जी रीति रिवाज कर लें, जितने मर्जी पूजा पाठ कर लें, यू आर नॉट इन अ पोजीशन टू अचीव द डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट्स। और अगर किसी भी देश की प्रोग्रेस, किसी भी देश का आपको ये मापदंड लेना है कि उसकी कैसे प्रोग्रेस हो सकती है, हाउ प्रोग्रेसिव अ नेशन इज, देन यू हैव टू वॉच आउट दैट उस देश के क्या लॉज हैं, क्या रूल्स, क्या रेगुलेशंस हैं, विच मॉनिटर्स और विच गाइड्स और विच से प्रोटेक्ट्स इट्स विमेन। और ऑनरेबल मिस जस्टिस इंदिरा बनर्जी जी ने, शी हैज राइटफुली सेड दैट
share it with you 24/7. It is working, and this is connected with 112 and other services, the law and order machinery. And the number I want to share is here, the WhatsApp number of Haryana State Commission for Women. With these comments and with these words, I would just want to say कि बदलाव लाना तभी हो सकेगा आसान जब नारी, महिला खुद का खुद ही करेगी सम्मान। Thank you very much, each one of you, from the State Commission for Women Haryana, from Bhagidari Jan Sahyog Samiti.